Hello everyone and welcome again. So in this video we will try to talk about the project number 2 and make a proper solution. So in this project we have to write a code that takes true values from the user and do the following operations. Okay, as in the first project, so this we will try to do it quickly. So in float, yes. Okay, so here we will int. Okay, input, and here x equal y equal int input y equal. Okay, right. So here the two values. Calculate their OR operation. So we are talking here about the logical OR and here XOR, right? So how can we do that? So OR operation is equal x and y, and operation x and and is y, like that. XOR operation is x y, right? Okay, so now to understand well what we have done here and here and here, we will try to work binary because those operators are bitwise. So to be understood well, we need to practice with the binary operation. So print bin x and bin print bin x, just to make sure we will have a new line, bin y, print OR operation, new line, and operation, new line, XOR operation. Okay, let's try to run the project. Okay, we will give, for example, 10, 5. Okay. Oh, yes. We should make a binary for these things. To bin. Just to understand well what we have done with the OR and XOR operation. This is just a representation. Nice. Okay. So, for example, 10, and here we will get 10. Okay. So this is y, this is x, this is y. Just to make something readable. 13 and 10. Okay, so this is x and this is y. So the first one here is OR. So we will have as a result 1 if one of those bits is equal to 1. So we have 1 or 0, so we will have 1. 0 or 1 is also 1. 1 or 0 is 1, and 1 or 1 is 1. Okay? For the AND operation, we have 1 and 0 is equal to 0. Same thing here, the same thing here, but 1 and 1 is equal to 1. For the XOR operation, we will have 1 if those two bytes are different. If they are equal to 0, both of them, the result will be 0. If they are equal to 1, both of them, we will have also 0. This is what we will see now. So 1 or 0 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 0 XOR 1 is 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, but 1 XOR 1 is 0. Here should be a 0, but the zeros in the left side are not important. Like 0, 10. It's equal to 10, so there is no need to put a 0 in the left side, okay? So this is the result. Okay, display the results using decimal, hex, octal, and binary representations. So these are the results. So now we will try just to complete the exercise and make the results in different representations. So for decimal, so try please to make comments just to make your code more readable. Try to practice that and get used to do it the whole time. Right, so print or operation and XOR operation. Okay, for the decimal there is no need to put any function because decimal is the default representation for Python, right? Okay, now for the hex print. Okay, we will just stick the same thing and just hex, put hex, okay, hex and hex, right, okay, and also for okay, so now it's octal, same thing, we added oct, okay, oct and oct, right, nice. And finally for the binary, as we did for bind and bind and bind, as simple as that. Okay, now we will run the project. We will give just some random values. Okay, so this is for the decimal, hexadecimal, octal, and for the binary. Of course, this OR doesn't mean plus, doesn't mean addition. It's a logical operation, right? Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood these operators well. This is the basic things about Python. So with the time we will try to see the difficult things and we will try to tackle big and difficult problems and projects in the future. So stay tuned, and please, if you enjoyed our videos, please give us a like and subscribe to see our news. Okay, so see you next time. Ciao.